Does this safari ensure that I get back alive?
No. This is Travis. Do not do anything until directed by him. If you disobey him, a $20,000 fine will be applied, and possible government action.
Incredible. A real time machine.
Man, we're lucky. If that subhuman Deutscher won, our country would be done for.
Yeah, I'm glad as heck Keith won. Could you imagine the dictatorship we'd be underneath right now if Deutscher had won?
So, what does this device do?
This protects and cools our time travel device. It was previously cooled by liquid nitrogen, but it still had overheating issues.
What's this?
That is our power supply. It is highly experimental like most of our technology. It's on a power grid that the Pentagon uses. We use military-grade coating resistant to a nuclear blast to prevent power going down during our travels.
Well, does the government approve of this?
Yes, of course. But if things go south on this operation, we run the risk of losing our license.
Well, here's a check for $20,000, just in case.
Okay, let me authenticate this. Okay, you're good.
Perfect. Well, all I have to worry about is shooting my dinosaur.
A dinosaur? A Tyrannosaurus Rex? Oh, you should know about the incident before we have another accident. Good luck, you'll need it.
Yeah, you should know a number of hunters have died, but we don't advertise that.
Switch?
Yeah.
Anytime,
Good luck.
Thank you.
Whoa! Alright guys, this is where the path is. Let's go. Guys, don't even touch a single blade of grass. Stay on the path. Any change to the past can have unintended consequences.
Why?
Because there's this thing called the butterfly effect. When you change one small thing, one living organism in the past, thousands and thousands of years from now, it will multiply exponentially, changing the entirety of history as time goes by.
Well, how do you know which one to shoot?
Well, you see, we sent Les Prince back in time to find a dinosaur that would have died shortly after when we got here in time. This one had a tree fall on him, actually, and so we marked him with red. This is, of course, to minimize any effect that killing this dinosaur would have on the future, of course.
Well, if you went back in time, does that mean you saw us? Did we all get back alive? Were we successful?
That, my friend, is a paradox. The laws of time allow us to skip over certain events, meaning we won't be able to see ourselves.
Alright, that's enough. Cut it out. Alright, this is the spot. We'll be here in about 60 seconds. Look for the red paint. And do not aim for fun, because I swear, if your gun goes off,
Where is he?
you'll be here any second now. Alright, safety catches on.
He can't be killed.
Shut up. The red paint.
Quick, I want out.
Quick, get behind a tree!
Yes. No, not that way.
shot, dude. Now, let's go clean up that mess, shall we?
Wait, what about the other one?
I swear, if that guy even walked 1 foot off that trail, you fool! What were you thinking? I'm sorry. You know what kind of trouble you could have put us in? Give me your hand. Come on.
Oh! I'm sorry.
Fool.
No, please. The government's gonna revoke our license for this. Come on, it was just a little mud, not a little thing like that.
I don't know. This is a one big mystery. We've never had somebody like you that couldn't follow simple directions.
But it's a little thing.
Get up. Hey, what's this?
No, not a little thing like that.
Who won the election?
Well, Deutsche, of course. Not a weakling like Kith.
Can't we start over? Can't we take it back?